AI isn't coming, it's already here, fundamentally reshaping industries and daily operations worldwide. From advanced AI models like ChatGPT generating content to sophisticated robots meticulously assembling cars, automation is quietly transforming how the world works. Every major industry, including healthcare, education, finance, and logistics, is rapidly adopting AI to perform tasks faster, more cost-effectively, and with greater intelligence. This widespread integration leads to a crucial question many are asking: will AI ultimately take your job? The immediate, short answer for some roles is indeed yes. Certain jobs will be directly impacted by automation. However, a more nuanced and accurate perspective reveals that AI will primarily take over specific tasks, not necessarily your inherent talent or entire profession. Individuals who proactively understand and learn how to effectively work alongside AI technologies will not only adapt, but truly thrive in this evolving landscape. Conversely, those who choose to resist or ignore these technological shifts may find themselves struggling to keep pace with the rapid advancements. According to comprehensive global studies, automation is projected to significantly affect over 300 million jobs by the year 2030. Yet, instead of succumbing to panic, it's crucial to adopt a broader perspective on these changes. Here's a closer look at what is actually unfolding in the job market. Repetitive, highly role-based tasks are increasingly being automated, allowing machines to handle predictable workflows. Simultaneously, roles demanding creative problem-solving, strategic thinking, and strong interpersonal skills are experiencing a significant rise in demand. Consider these practical examples of AI augmenting human capabilities across various professions. Coders now leverage AI tools to debug complex software faster and more efficiently, accelerating development cycles. Writers utilize AI to brainstorm innovative ideas, overcome creative blocks, and refine our content with enhanced precision. Doctors employ AI to detect diseases earlier and with greater accuracy, leading to more timely and effective treatments. Marketers deploy AI to gain deeper insights into audience behavior, personalize campaigns, and optimize engagement strategies. Ultimately, AI is not replacing humans entirely. Instead, it is profoundly redefining how humans work and interact with technology. The true winners of this new technological era will be those who master the art of blending unique human creativity with the unparalleled efficiency of AI. So, with these transformative changes underway, how can you effectively prepare yourself for the age of AI and automation? Here are 3 actionable steps that have proven to be highly effective in navigating this new landscape. First, actively learn and integrate AI-assistive tools into your daily workflow. Instead of fearing AI, embrace it as a powerful co-pilot to enhance your job performance. If you're in marketing, familiarize yourself with platforms like ChatGPT or Jasper for content creation and strategy. For designers, explore innovative tools such as Midjourney or Leonardo.ai to generate unique visual concepts and accelerate your creative process. Students can benefit immensely from tools like Notion AI or Perplexity for enhanced learning, research, and overall productivity. Second, prioritize and cultivate essential human skills that AI cannot replicate. While AI excels at data analysis, it cannot lead teams, craft compelling narratives, or build genuine trust and empathy. Skills such as effective communication, high emotional intelligence, and critical thinking will always remain profoundly relevant and highly valued. Third, commit to continuous learning, always. The future truly belongs to adaptable learners, not just those who possess existing knowledge. Continuously upgrade your mindset through diverse avenues like microcourses, educational YouTube channels, and hands-on projects. Because in this rapidly evolving new world, the act of continuous learning is truly the new earning. Remember this crucial insight: AI itself won't replace you. However, someone who effectively uses AI might. So, start today. Build the essential skills that will make you truly irreplaceable in the future workforce. Embrace the future, continuously learn, and empower yourself for success in the age of AI.